Okay then, selection of videos for you to see how to use the EventPics system. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set things up, which is in your settings. You would have your event name, self-explanatory, call it what you want, click update event name. When you do that, it will also change at the bottom of the screen where the photos and videos save to. Okay, so you can also on that you can choose your own folder if you wish, a different one if you want to find it a bit easier, but it'll tell you that current folder, that is where they are currently saving to. When I change the name, it'll change that link. All right, so it's just so you know where your photos are. Okay. Other things in here, we have the license and activation. Now, when you download this to start with, you are going to get a free 7-day free trial. Make a note of your machine ID, because once that trial finishes, you may not be able to see that. All right, so first thing you need to do, go into settings, highlight that, Control C, copy it and save it somewhere on your computer so you know what your machine ID is. I will look at making it so your machine ID does show once the trial has expired. To get it activated, I need that code. Now, you do that on the web page. So down at the bottom, down here, you would make the payment, pop your details in there, and then put your machine ID in, and then you click request activation code. So that's how you would get your activation code. But what I do recommend, highly recommend, do the trial first. Don't just go jump in and buy it. Do the trial first. You got full use of it during the trial. The reason being, some of the older versions of Windows it wasn't working on. I've fixed that now. So I just want to make sure it works for you before you make any payments. All right. Payments are taken through PayPal. You don't need a PayPal account. You can use your credit or debit card as well. There are options to put a photo booth template on. Now, if you do that, put a tick in the box, find your templates. They are single photos, and you need a landscape and a portrait. Once you've uploaded them, click Save Templates. Then you need to set the photo areas. So like you do on any photo booth software where you drag the rectangles or whatever to the photo area on that template, you need to do that and save. So do the portrait one first, save template settings, do the landscape one, save template settings. If you don't do that, what you're going to do, and you have a template enabled, it's going to place the full photo behind the full size of that canvas. So if you've got a template on there, you're only going to see part of the template. All right, I'll do another video on that. Cloud backup, there is the option to use this site here, which I find really good, imgbb.com. It's free. You can upload images up to 32 meg per image. So you're not going to have any problems with images at events. It doesn't do videos, but what you need to do is create an account. Don't use this API key. Create your account. When you're logged in, click on profile, and then on the top left, you'll see about. Click about, and then get the API key from there. Once you've got your API key, paste it in there, save settings. Okay, that will then allow you to monitor photos as they are being uploaded at the event. Folder Watch, this is great if you want to run this alongside your photo booth software. So it's similar to hot folders. So you'd enable that there. Choose the folder you want it to watch. So I use DSLR booth. It saves the templated photos in a folder. It saves the original photos in a folder. If I am using a template on here, I would not watch the printed versions of the photo booth, because what would happen, it will obviously send that printed one with the template on, and then it will try and place the template on here as well. So if you are going to use it alongside your photo booth and you want to use templates on here, watch the original folders. Okay, so do it that way. And then again, just save your watch settings after that. Again, I'll do another video. Hidden files, that's just if you hide anything. So I've got one hidden there. It just shows you it like that. You can't do anything with it. Yeah, that's just there. And photo storage we've already covered. So that is the settings of EventPics. Okay. There are other settings that you need to be aware of, which is the QR codes, which I'm going to do in the next video. But if you have any questions on this one, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.